In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change country on YouTube account on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And if you need to open up YouTube app on our iPhone or Android smartphone. Once it is done, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then just stop right here where it says you to go to your channel. After that, top right here, add that gear to go to settings. Then top a general. And here, if we scroll down a bit, we'll find location. Now it is said to United States. However, we can top right here, and then we can pick any country from these list. Just scroll down or up until you find your country or preferred country that you would like to use as a country for your YouTube account. Then just select it. Go out of here, and as you can see, the location has just been changed. Basically, guys, that's it. Save this video is helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button